And once again, it's me, Beau, an FFL here in Washington State. I am coming to you with this airsoft gun that looks suspiciously like a real firearm, but it's not. It's just a toy. So all you little hipsters over in Amazon who keep reviewing my videos and taking them down because you're offended because they're firearms related, well, stuff that little snowflake down your little skinny jeans and go sip on your soy latte. It's a toy gun. So now with that being said, let's hop right into the bore sight. This guy right here. Now, if you are like me, ammo is expensive and you're a cheapskate, right? So I went ahead and got this 223-556 round, which is not actually a round, it is a laser on the end. Now, how to install the batteries. First of all, it comes with 3 of these, so yes, plenty of batteries to go around. And there are 3 stacked on top of each other, and you can go ahead and just slide it right on in this direction like so, okay? And then you get the butt right there, and once you start to turn it on, you will see that red laser? It's coming out already. Right there, and then let it ride. There we go, and look at that. Okay, so you can see that it is actually coming out of the barrel right there. You can kind of see it on the wall like so. And now this is a fairly economical way of zeroing in your gun. Let's say that you just got a red dot sight, and you don't have time to go out to the range and put a couple hundred rounds down range, or you can't afford it. Maybe you can only afford like 10 rounds. Thanks, Brandon. And so you might want to slide something into your chamber like this, and just to get a very, very, very brief idea as to where your barrel is going, and then you can align either your iron sights or your red dot to that laser that is coming right out of the barrel. And so I would recommend actually going out to the range and practice. Don't just get a gimmick like this and pop it in your gun and think that you're ready to go. However, as a great starting point, this absolutely is. It's reasonably priced. You really don't spend anything on ammo to just pop it into your gun just to see if in fact your barrel is pointed in the right direction, and if it relatively lines up with your sights. It's a great starting point. So highly recommended for all gun owners to get something like this. My name is Beau. Hopefully this helps.